Listen, I'm not here to hype you up. I'm here to tell you what nobody around you has the guts to say. You're wasting your life, and you know it. You keep pretending you're figuring things out, but you're not figuring anything out. You're repeating the same day again and again and calling it a life. And let me tell you something harsh. If you keep going like this, you're going to wake up one morning, look in the mirror, and actually hate the person staring back. Not because you're a failure, but because you chose comfort over becoming who you were meant to be. I'm not attacking you. I'm telling you the truth because clearly nobody else is. You have potential that you treat like a joke. You have dreams that you keep burying under laziness, fear, and distraction. And you have time that you keep throwing away like it's infinite. It's not. You're not just wasting hours. You're wasting opportunities. You're wasting energy. You're wasting the version of yourself that could have dominated life. And for what? A phone? A temporary dopamine hit? People who won't matter in a year? Comfort that's slowly killing your confidence? Let me say it straight. You're not tired. You're undisciplined. You're not confused. You're avoiding responsibility. You're not unlucky. You're unfocused. And you're not stuck. You're just scared to start. The worst part? I know you feel it. Every night before you sleep, you get that little punch in your chest. That guilt. That frustration. That voice saying, you're meant for more. You try to ignore it, but it's not going anywhere. So here's the real turning point. Not some motivational fantasy. Just one simple decision. Stop letting your weak self win. The version of you that wants to grow, it's still in there. But it's suffocating under excuses, distractions, and fake comfort. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need a 100-day challenge. You don't need to wait for motivation. You just need to stop lying to yourself. Start with one honest step. Clean your room. Fix your sleep. Work out for 20 minutes. Learn one skill and stick to it. Cut the people who drain you. Stop consuming junk. Stop negotiating with your own laziness. This is the part where most people quit. But you're not most people, right? Because if you are, then be prepared for a future full of what-ifs. A future where you watch other people win and call it luck. Even though deep down you know they simply did what you were too scared to do. You want to become unrecognizable. Good. Then start acting like it. Be the friend your future self will thank, not the one they'll resent. This is your wake-up call. No more soft talk. No more excuses. No more wasting your life and pretending it's fine. Fix your habits. Fix your mindset. Fix your direction. Or stay the same and pay the price later. Your choice. But don't cry about the results of the work you never did.